Testing, testing. Haha. This is your wireless GoPro mic talking. What is up, YouTube? Yes. What is up, YouTube? We've got a different kind of video for today. This is the most low-key of low-key product releases ever coming to you from GoPro. We're going to check this out today. Oh, obviously very different video coming at you today. I also have a photography channel, which this video will probably end up there for any of you GoPro audio fans. The point of this video today was I had an email come from GoPro, if you're on the GoPro mailing list, for their all-new wireless mic kit. And I thought, oh, that's pretty cool. I should check that out because I've had a lot of trouble with my wireless Me Rode mics. And I thought that would be something really cool to check out because I'm not really a DJI fan, but I went on YouTube and there are literally no videos. I found one video of a very small YouTuber who even had this product at all. And so I think it's pretty cool that it's on the website, it's released, these mic sets are available, and I might be one of the first people to actually get to try it. I've had good luck with Rode mics, but there's always some kind of critical flaw that they seem to fail on me. And next up, GoPro. I've actually had a back injury, and so I'm not riding my bike. My last video I put out was actually from riding in May, and take me probably a few weeks here to get back on the bike. But let's have a look at this gear today and see what's up. Low-key GoPro release. So here we go. Next up, what's my wish list? So obviously I ride with my helmet all the time. I do other action sports, but predominantly my mic and my camera are with my helmet. So got this email, like I said, just this past week, and I've already received my complete kit. They show other options available that you could mix and match and pick pieces of this kit, but the only one available to order right now is the full complete kit with everything that will go through here. And so I've literally not opened it yet. Thank you, GoPro, for putting me on the mailing list and getting on this early release. I have no sponsorship from GoPro, no relation at all, but it's cool to be a long-time customer. You know, we're heading into GoPro 14 and I started at GoPro 4. So that puts me in a good solid decade, as long as my channel's been around, that I've been running with GoPro. And like I said, there's other great cameras out there, but I challenge anyone, the DJIs, the 360s, nothing is as durable and as tough as a GoPro. And for me, riding bikes, you know, high speeds in the backcountry, the same with mountain biking, water sports, I literally have 100% confidence in my GoPro. And I should knock on some wood. Oh my God, nothing here is wood. Oh, here's some wood. Knock on wood. I have never broken a GoPro in over a decade. That's wild. So let's check this out. I won't have a chance in this first video to actually use the setup, but I'll show you what's in it, talk about cost a little bit, and get ready for the next sound revolution on the channel. Here we go. Here it is. This is the setup. So literally got an email. Hey, we have a new wireless mic system. You want to be on the early list? Yes. So what I ordered is, it's going to say to you from $69 Canadian, I think it's 49 US, and give you different options of just getting a transmitter if you wanted a secondary, like a third mic. One that just uses a USB, so you can use that setup with the same microphones with your phone or any USB device. And the complete kit, which includes a receiver. And so similar to the Rode mic, that receiver will actually attach, I don't know if they have a picture here, that's a really good picture. It will attach to the top of my GoPro or on the side. I think they have it here on the side in this picture. And then you will still have a small cable there going to your media kit. Comes in its own charging case, includes 2 microphones, the receiver, includes that USB unit so I can still use it on my phone. And you can see there's a couple little dead cat covers here, just wind blockers. And of course, all the media here, man, if I had $1,000 to spend on GoPros, that new Pro camera looks ridiculous, but it's $1,000 in Canada. I think it might even be $1,100. Oh, there it is. For that setup would be amazing, but I'd be so scared to put that on a bike or a car and lose it. That would be crazy. All right, let's open this up. There it is. So like I said, I cheated a little bit. I took the knife to it just to open the box up, and inside, this is fantastic. Check this out. So straight in, comes with a carry case, and then the charging case and all the units are inside. Also comes with, if you're old school, you're like me, safety manual and wireless kit instructions. I know, paper, and you can just read through what to do with this thing. Literally have not read anything yet. Now let's see what's in the bag. Here we go, GoPro. Love it. So first things first, inside this case, when you open it up from factory, the charger unit and the mics and the receiver are all wrapped in here. This is actually taped on here, so I'm gonna have to cut that off. But inside the case, one side has your little noise reduction, I won't say dead cats, but he allowed to say that anymore. And the other side is a little mesh pocket with your cables. So same setup as the Rode mics without the red nasty cable. Never really do unboxing videos, but I don't know about you guys, if you're careful with all your wrapping and stuff when you open up gifts at Christmas and your birthdays. I usually am, because I like to save all the stuff that came with these units. But this entire thing is adhesive, and so this is just coming off as it comes off. Nice. You can see that GoPro. The good stuff. Oh, it's inside, even has battery. Very cool. So receiver, USB connector, and 2 mics. Like I said, this is pure unboxing. I haven't ever used this. So the case is actually a charging unit for all of the devices. That is pretty sick. With a USB-C on the back to plug it in and charge everything all at once. So what do we got here? So here's your transmitter. This is the part you'll actually attach to your phone. This has adjustable gain, +12 to -12. It shows you which transmitters or which microphones are connected, power of course. And on this side, you also have an audio out and you have a headphone connector. That'd be pretty cool in like really noisy environments if you want to hear those mics that are far away with such a crazy range. Here's the transmitter that you can connect to USB devices, so your phone. I tried connecting this myself without knowing what I'm doing and it didn't work, so I'll learn how to do that. 2 microphones. I was kind of expecting the magnet side would be where the noise reduction, unit would go, but it's actually just a quick attach unit. So it just clips on. There's your wind reduction. And you can see this back part, all the little units that have these, those are just your charging units to put it in the charger. Now, one disappointing thing, when I put this back into the charger, the lid won't close with our noise reduction, fuzzy ball on here. And so you'll have to take that off every time when you put it back in the charger. Not the end of the world. But the other really cool thing here is on the back side of your mic, that magnetic jump that I showed you, there's little magnets that you can use if you want to put this inside, you know, a jacket or a shirt without clipping it on anywhere, and just attach that quick so you have your mic ready to use. Very cool. One other fun little note here is there's only one way to put these in so that each unit is charging. It's with those little gold conductors on the bottom. And even the USB unit, if you put it in the wrong way, it actually won't go in. And so there is literally no way to get this wrong. And then when you have it all closed up charging, on the exterior, you have, basically there are 4 lights here. And so each bar is 25% of your charge. And so it tells you how much power you have. Two of the coolest things that I really got drawn to is a full day of runtime. So they're advertising these little mics have 20 hours of runtime. That's amazing. I would probably get a day of riding, like 6 or 8 hours maybe, from my road mics. So that's like 3 times. And how about a range of 150 meters? That would be really cool, especially for any of us, you know, creators who are using mics and cameras set up on roadsides and, you know, filming yourself basically. 150 meters is a ton of range to stay connected to your camera and still have your audio. And last but not least, here's the actual cable. Black instead of red, thank you very much. And this will attach to the audio jack on the back of your media kit. And this little stand will go to either top or on the side if you want this on the side. So you can access your power and your gain. And at the same time, you can see if you have power in your devices. There we go. For riding, I like to keep this extra windsock on the outside of my media kit so that if I unplug this, I'll have media outside my helmet. But this could fit on the side as well if that's more compact, so it doesn't stand out so much on my helmet. All right, so back onto my iPhone mic here. So what do you pay for all this stuff? So this whole kit is $219 Canadian. I didn't look up the US price, but you know, just click over on your local country, wherever you are, and check out the price. They had no charge for shipping, which was awesome. Over 200, we'd kind of expect there's no charge for shipping. And a cool thing with GoPro is when I order, even if it's coming from the States, they actually calculate our federal tax, GST, that's our only tax we have here is 5%, and my duty. And so total kit, including no charge shipping, duty and taxes, I was at $255 Canadian, which is, if you looked at the Pro kit now from Rode Mic, for those little wireless Mi mics, they have a Pro kit very similar to this. In Canada, that's almost $500. So for half the money and knowing the reliability of GoPro, all day GoPro. Now let's go mess with these things. Thanks for watching. I know this is a very different video from what I normally do, but I'm pretty stoked on this setup and really excited to get out and try it. Stay tuned. Next video will be hopefully these with me with a healthy back riding my bike and testing this out in the field. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe. See y'all soon. Cheers. Testing, testing. Haha. This is your wireless GoPro mic talking. Thanks, GoPro.